I just had to let you know you're.
Physical and chemical properties help describe and identify substance by showing their characteristic and how they change.
What is it all about? And how it work? Can you give me an example of these things? Get one of them. Can you give me some example of physical property and chemical property?
Yes, of course. Okay, for example, kanang posporo. So, kung ikis-kis nila siya dili sa yung box, masunog ni siya. And then, chemical property ang tawag sa iya kay na naman siya bagong pure substances. Then, nayagod siya og ash.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Bye. Oh wait, we have more sample here about chemical and physical properties. Really? Can I see? Yes.
So, mayroon tayong slinky dito. So, kahit anong form niya or kahit na paganto ay bumabalik siya sa kanyang dating itsura. So, ang tawag nito is physical properties dahil walang bagong substance na nabubuo. So, next is meron tayong foil. So, kahit na ganituhin natin yung foil, walang nagbabago. Foil pa rin siya.
Okay. And then,
So, next is example din ng physical properties is ang shampoo. Shampoo, the combination of air and water, bumubula siya sa buhok mo pero walang nabubuong bagong substance. Shampoo pa rin siya. So, ito ay physical properties.
okay. Let me try. Can you cut this into? Okay. Whoa! The fire formed into alcohol.
Alcohol burns reacts, oxidize, and can be converted into acids, ester, or gases. It's also a good disinfectant.
And now I have the one example about chemical change, burning paper. And now when the paper burns, it reacts the form of new substances. New substances such as ash or smoke, gases, because new substances are produced, the change cannot be easily revised burning in the chemical process, and that is the example of chemical properties.
So, we have vinegar and baking soda. And let's combine this. First, vinegar and baking soda. So, it's called chemical properties.
Kapoy ka magbalik ka na sa
How about this? It is a chemical properties.
Ang vinegar na nasa loob nito, pag binuksan mo, may maaamoy ka lang. Pero, walang nagbabago sa kanya. Vinegar pa rin siya. So, ito ay physical properties.
Now we're done explaining physical and chemical properties. Bye-bye!
I just had to let you know you're. She